With Android Pie, Google released tons of new features, including Digital Wellbeing. Speaking of which, it really has been blessing for some users to reduce their phone usage. Plus, it's also got many more features, but the limited availability has been always a problem, since it's officially for Android 9 Pie, and the users of it not even in the Android distribution statistics. But you don't have to worry, I found a workaround to get the same feature on almost any Android device. Let's get into it. So an Australian developer, Chris Lacey, the developer of Action Launcher, released his new app called Action Dash, which brings the same feature with same UI to all the phones, not just lucky Pixel phones. It supports Android 5.0 and up, and it doesn't require any root or ADB. After installing it, just need one thing, is that you have to grant the usage access, and that's it. So when you open it for the first time, you will see no difference because it looks and feels almost exactly like Google's own Digital Wellbeing. It has the same UI, you can see which apps you've used, how long you've used them, how often you unlock your phone, and so on. Although it is missing one key feature of Google's Digital Wellbeing, is the ability to set app usage limits. Hopefully that's going to be added anytime soon. There are more advanced settings than Google's Digital Wellbeing as well, such as you can turn on a dark mode, change the start time of each day, and include system apps in your timers. And there's also one major feature that Action Dash has and Digital Wellbeing doesn't. It's available to everyone. Action Dash is free on the Google Play Store, you can give it a shot. Link is below the like button. Well, that's how you can install Digital Wellbeing on any Android device. A quick little video, hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. I'm Naveen, catch me in the next one. See ya.